Hello everyone. This is Yes. Newly neutered. We've just been from the veterinary clinic, public veterinary clinic. And his anesthesia has just expired. He's already already woke up, and I am controlling his moves. I put him on a box because if he is outside, he cannot control his reflexes yet, and he will be able to bump his head, and that's dangerous. So I need to control. When I put him, we have also experienced to put a newly neutered cat on a cage, but his head will also bump on the wall of the cage, so it's not safe as well. So this is it. This is how I do it until he is fully recovered of the anesthesia and he can walk normally. As of now, it's not proper, so I have to put him on this box so that he will be controlled. He's been trying to get out. Oh, whoa. Yes, you won't have any problem anymore. Yes. Our girls won't get pregnant anymore, because he's been chasing the girls. It's been a riot this week. It's either we put him on a cage, and when he is out of the cage, the girls will be put on a cage. But he is still chasing those girls who are not in heat, especially the smaller ones. So we are on a riot. So we have saved to be able to pay on the public veterinary. Hi. What is that? See? He's struggling. He's struggling to get out of the box. Yes. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, big boy. Not yet. You go inside. You will get hurt. If you will get out. You will bump your head on the floor. Yes. No. I don't have any other bigger box. The others also are much more shorter, so you'll be able to get out easily. This is the bag. We kept him, and now another one is staying inside. The eldest, I guess. Yeah. Oh no, it's the one who was having cough. It's Eve. See. No, don't do that. Yes. Whoa. No, don't do that. Hi, don't do that. You'll get hurt. You'll bump your head. Mama Kiss knows that. Later. When you are well enough, when your reflexes comes back into normal. I will let you see, guys. If I let him go outside, will be wobbling. See up, off. Yes. She cannot even move her back foot. He doesn't have the reflexes yet. He'll be able to. Yes. It's his body that he is. See? That he is manipulating so that he would be able to get out of the box. Yes. What happened? She cannot hold on onto his paws, his feet. Yes. Hi. Don't do that. You go back. See, he's out already. See? He won't be able to control. He won't be able to walk normally. He'd only be able to bump his head. Yes. See, Mama Kiss told you you're not well. Not now. Yes, yes. You say thank you. You say thank you for watching my post-neuter video. Mm. Mm. Yes, yes. Mm. Free of suffering. We will be more healthy. Yes, yes. Hi. Hi. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Hi. Hi. Hi, yes, yes. What? You see? That's why you'll fall. Just told you, you won't be able to hold your head. It will bump on the floor. Yes, yes. You want to eat because he's hungry. Oh, Loy, Loy, Nana, yes, yes. You're hungry, yes, yes. Because he's been fasting since 12 p.m. last night. That's the one of the requirements for neutering. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.